In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss report in Xero. Whether you're an experienced financial analyst or just getting started with business accounting, understanding how to generate this report is essential for assessing the financial health of your business. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account and make sure you're on the dashboard page. This is your main hub within Xero, where you can access all the essential tools and features for managing your business finances. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Reporting tab. Clicking on this will take you to an area that provides a variety of different reports you can generate. For our purposes, this is where the Profit and Loss Report option resides. Now, within the Reporting section, locate and click on the Profit and Loss option. This will bring you to the report generation interface specifically designed for financial statements. The Profit and Loss Report, sometimes referred to as an income statement, is crucial because it details your company's revenues, costs, and expenses over a selected time period. It helps in understanding the company's ability to generate profit by increasing revenue, reducing costs, or both. Once you're in the Profit and Loss Report section, you'll see an option called Compare With. This feature allows you to compare current performance with previous periods, whether month to month or year over year, which is invaluable for spotting trends and making informed decisions. Select the Compare With dropdown to specify how you want to compare your financial data. Next, choose the period you wish to evaluate. For example, selecting 1 month will provide a detailed report for a single month. This helps in analyzing short-term performance and addressing any anomalies or issues promptly. Following that, look for the More button. Clicking on it gives you additional settings to customize your report further, such as applying filters or adjusting the period to match your specific needs. This level of customization can tailor the report to be as broad or narrow as necessary, depending on the scope of your financial analysis. Once you're satisfied with the settings, hit Update to refresh the report with your selected parameters. This ensures all modifications are taken into account and displays the most up-to-date information possible. When your profit and loss report is ready and everything looks good, head over to the Export button. This is probably one of the most versatile features, as it allows you to export the report in various formats, such as PDF or Excel, making it easy to share with colleagues or your accountant. Finally, if you find the report configuration useful, you might want to click Save As to save the report template. This option lets you save the customized settings, eliminating the need to reset configurations every time you generate a new report in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully created a profit and loss report in Xero. This report is a powerful tool for monitoring your business's financial performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and guides.